With gas prices that are painful even to look at, our journey started here. This Nissan Altima has a secret hiding under its hood. It's one that its inventor says can more than double your gas mileage. We were doubtful too, which is why we came here to put it to the test. At the same time, Eddie Maharo pulled in with the story that struck a chord.
I can't even put gas in my car because I live in L.A. and I put $4 and I'm not going to make it home with the gas prices. That's right now. It's really high, you know.
A small handout was at least a short-term fix, but what Terry Vichik and his partner Mo Hill really want to give American drivers is a solution. They've been working on it here, in this unassuming garage with a modest-looking device. They just might have a significant impact. Their invention takes water and splits off the hydrogen, which in turn promises to help the engine run cleaner, stronger, and more efficiently. They offered to put it to the test.
But it's pretty simple. You fill up your tank, you drive it, you fill it up again. You take the amount that you consumed and divide it by the miles you drove. That's your miles per gallon.
And so with a full tank, we were off. Hill says he hopes one day every car will have his device, but for now, there's a target market.
The main thing are these semi-trucks, because they're hurting with these diesel prices, and when they hurt, all the food prices goes up, everything.
Fast forward 51 miles later, and we're back where we started.
We did 51.2 miles. We used half a gallon of the gas.
Impressive, but just what Hill had expected. He's seen it with dozens of test runs before.
I'm not surprised. I've seen this, but every time I look at it, it gives me another tickle.
So the next step is to share their product with the public. With the patent already in hand, marketing has started. Orders are being taken, and official testing will begin soon. 3 months from now, the two hope to give every American a chance to put them to the test, one they fully expect to pass. In high definition, Andrea Bond, Boom HD News, Montclair, California.